combination. We're going to start with the 3 shimmies back and then out quite sharply. Twist into your tray position. And 1 body roll, however you want to do your body roll. Let's do that part. So we're going back. 1, 2, 3, out, twist, body roll. Now we're going to do bow and arrow. So you take your left arm, round your head in a big circle, extend both arms and pull back like you're about to launch an arrow with a bow. So let's do that, bow and arrow. Round the head, extend both arms forward and pull back. So from the beginning up to there, shimmy back. 1, 2, 3, out, twist, round, pull back. Then this arm, your left arm's going to drop down and 2 shoulder circles back. Then we can start the whole thing facing this way. And then the next time the back and the next time the other side. So one more time from the beginning. Back. 1, 2, 3, out. Twist, body roll. Round, pull, back and drop, shoulder, shoulder. Have fun with that. Look out for other combinations and other new steps in belly dance. Until next time, goodbye.